Hello and welcome to Sock Nation TV. In this episode, Ed pulls a silly face. No, we're in Ed's Ep3, but
yes.
Why? Why are we in it? Stay tuned to find out.
Come on!
So Ed, why are we in the Ep3?
Because finally, we're getting round to fitting the CF Skins carbon skin
Finally.
to my Ep3 bits of trim. So I went for the full sort of console version.
So all this sort of area here.
One there, big one there, one in there, one in there, and one in there. Yes, it's dirty, but I've got some cleaning things we can use.
Well, that's helpful.
Yeah. So it's from CF Skins. Chap called Mike.
Yeah.
Started the company a couple of years ago. Uses real quality UK made carbon fibre skins.
Yeah.
And only found out the other week, didn't I, that CF means carbon fibre skins.
Ed just assumed that CF stood for something
else,
not carbon fibre.
Not carbon fibre. But mate, it's absolute quality.
I mean, it is.
That is quality, isn't it? Look at that.
Quality.
And the EP3, the only thing not going for the EP3 at the minute is getting the interior is dated.
Well, it is,
isn't it?
but it isn't.
Who has silver anymore? No one.
No,
really.
but I mean that's easy enough to sort.
Yeah.
And then you've got your
doubled
in, which is glued in place, isn't it? And I mean, I really like it in here.
Yeah.
But I think getting this, I reckon piano black would look smart.
Well, Mike said at CF Skins this is a work in progress. He's actually designing one of these, not just one to stick over the top.
Yeah.
An actual carbon fibre product. Because a lot of these are wrapped.
Yeah, they are.
Shows in other people's EP3.
Well,
but to get that in a CF Skins carbon fibre would be ace. That would set it off.
It would.
So
and
should we get started on this?
If you're hearing like a weird echoey reverb, it's because Ed's car is stripped out, so it is a bit like a van. I mean, we've got no
headliner
lining,
and we've got no boot.
Nothing in the boot apart from his son's booster seat.
Yeah.
Classic.
Yeah.
And I mean it is.
Well, I had to de-dog it.
Yeah, you did. I mean, some people might think, oh, no way, Ed's going track-inspired EP3.
No,
you're not.
I'm just de-dogging it.
Yeah, you're going usable EP3.
Yeah.
But, right. Let's get on with it.
Let's get a de-sing.
A de-sing?
Yeah. A de-sing.
We've got I didn't buy it as a hairdryer, believe it or not. I know I've got long hair, but I actually bought this Bubbleless hairdryer as a heat source.
To warm up the glue.
Yeah.
So I've got a feeling,
I bought it for debadging cars, basically.
I've got a feeling, where it's pimpled?
Yeah.
We're not going to get a really good seal on that. See all these pimply bits?
Is that pimpled into the actual plastic?
Yeah, it's pimpled plastic.
Oh,
so I've got a little bit more of sort of an all-purpose glue that can help with that.
Yes, yeah.
If the
why have Honda dimpled the actual plastic? Why isn't it just a rubber insert?
But first,
there's some more here. I mean, I know you're not doing this bit, but.
So first thing I'm going to do is going to clean the surface area, and I found these KFC little wipes in your car. That
actually, that's a bit of a fib because
no, they were
the last time we both had KFC was on the way back from Japfest, and we both had KFC.
Yeah, but they were in your car.
Yeah, they were in my car because you left them in my car.
I was telling the truth.
Well, yeah, but you're making it sound like all I eat is shit, and I don't.
You do.
I really don't. Fucking hell, I have to hide all my wrappers of rusted burgers and shit.
Lasagna Alemania. So these are basically like an alcohol wipe, so this is probably just as good as anything else, mate.
I mean,
to put on the surface, eh?
It's not quite an alcohol wipe because that would be detrimental to your skin with long-term use.
Well, only if you have KFC every day like you. I can't wait for this because these are going to look sick. Like in Tim's EP3 at Japfest, he had the same bits. And it looked ace, mate, didn't it?
It looked amazing.
It looked ace. So we're just gently cleaning the surface.
Are you singing it? Are you saying it like Jamie Oliver? What? Like how you're putting a recipe out, like, or Nigella?
Oh,
first, rub down.
Rub it down.
Rub down with a fresh one.
Or like Gordon Ramsay. Right,
oh, you fucking pricks.
He's
not Irish. Scottish.
Like Barfi?
No.
He doesn't sound Scottish though, does he? You're bloody!
How dare you!
It's raw! Raw!
Where's the colour in my scallops? You're a noob.
Clarice.
Toughened your nipples, didn't it?
Hello, Clarice.
What did Miggs, multiple Miggs in the next cell say to you?
I don't know.
Maybe you could smell my beep.
Can you warm up my carbon fibre skin?
Oh, sexual.
Go on in.
That's it. All right.
Oh, am I doing it? Am I?
No, I'm not doing it.
Oh, put that in between your legs.
Oh.
This was found in the MX-5, wasn't it? This was.
Yeah, it was. It was, you know.
Is that heat?
I mean, that's
cool.
There you go. So Ed, has anybody? It is. Has anybody told you how to do it? Or are you just guessing?
Guessing, mate.
Yeah, there's the best way, isn't it? Really?
It's only stickers, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, proper carbon fibre cost money stickers, though.
Did cost a lot of money.
Yeah.
Oh, and we've got a discount code from Mike along here. It's going to be.
Well,
Not
hopefully.
Sure it is, yeah.
I mean, at time of filming, he's not confirmed it yet.
No, but he will. He probably did. But I'll just ignore
Well, the thing is, now we've said it on film, he's going to have to do it anyway.
And that's CF Skins. Email in the description.
He's got an R34 GTR, hasn't he?
Yeah. And just doesn't do Hondas. There's others on there, Mazda, BMWs, all sorts. Just go and check out his website. High quality carbon fibre bits and pieces.
Do you want to do that like an advert?
No.
Come on.
What do you mean?
One man with one hairdryer and one carbon fibre sheet.
How long does it take to heat up?
We'll soon find out. Oh my god.
Eradicates even the most annoying stains.
And if you've been to Ed's flat, it's full of bad stains. Bachelor life.
That's 0800 Farm Boy. That'll do, pig, won't it?
Yeah, I reckon so.
That'll do.
Oh, Ed can't turn off the hairdryer. Oh, there he goes. Oh, trying to think that that's his holster. It isn't a holster.
Okay, let's
see. Let's see. Is it going to stick? Sticky stick, stick, stick. Let's do the stick dance. Sticky stick, sticky stick, sticky stick, sticky stick, stick, stick.
Oh, 3M.
Oh. Hello.
Right. Oh god, it is sticker. So, I'm shit at this. I think you've got to slot that one in a bit. Because you want to cover that Type R. You don't want to cover the Type R.
No, you don't.
Oh god.
I think it's probably easier if you take out all the internals, really, mate.
What do you mean you don't take off anything?
Yeah, you could take it all
there
out.
You go. There you go.
Oh, look at that. And that's lopsided. But well
hold
done.
on.
Oh.
Gotta bring it back. Oh no.
Ooh, that's all right actually, mate.
Ooh.
Done that all right.
Ooh.
Oh.
Hello.
It's quite neat. I mean, it's a little bit off here.
That's not.
Only a teeny bit.
You're off. Oh. Hello, I'm carbon fibre. Human cyborg relations.
Hello, I'm carbon fibre.
Human cyborg relations.
I mean, this is going to be a video that
That looks all right.
It makes the mundane fun. That's what we've got to try and do.
I'm
in this
happy
video.
just with that.
I think that looks good.
That
Look,
looks sick, mate, doesn't it? Yeah. Right, should we do the hard ones?
Oh.
Hard ones coming through.
I mean, are they hard? I mean, no. I mean,
It's just because it's pimply.
Oh, it's not big pimping. I thought that's what you were going to say.
Should we warm this one up?
Yeah, of course.
Should I warm it up? Should I take this off, then warm it up? I think that might be best.
No. Leave it on and then take it off.
Why?
Because you don't want the glue to, exist outside of Glueville. So yeah, Ed's. There we go. Thankfully, it's carbon fibre. Ed's done this bit now. So we did have some issues sticking it on the dimples, but yours truly, that's me. I had the idea of maybe heating up when it's actually in situ, and that seemed to work, didn't it, Ed?
Yeah, we'll do it, but we'll heat it up as it is now, and then in situ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In situ.
In situ.
Yeah, you like that, don't you?
Yeah. Word of the day.
In situ.
In situ.
That's 2 words, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's not Latin.
It's a bloody hairdryer.
In situ. Oh, smacking stuff everywhere. How to make two late 30-year-old men sweat more than they already sweat.
What, have a hot
It's relatively warm in this car, and then have a hairdryer in close proximity.
Dimple, you son of a bitch.
Dimple. This dimple is for the bit underneath where the end of the handbrake sits down.
In situ.
It sits down when you are in movement. Sit down.
In situ.
Get it down, Edward. Is he doing it? Is he cracking on? He is cracking on.
No.
No. Oh, you fucked that one up.
No, I haven't.
Oh, that actually, yeah, that looks okay.
Is it?
Yeah.
Done.
Oh, no, you pushed it down hard.
Hard.
Hard. Look at you pushing down hard. Give it the
this
heat.
one.
No,
No, it needs to be about there.
Heat it up in situ.
It's a bit poppy.
It's all about that technique. Yes, we are cooking on gas. Or gas.
Happy with that? It's looking good. This one's going to be a difficult one, look. Go on in. This one's going in now.
Yep. Alright.
Just go drop it in there. I don't give a shit.
Drop it like it's
There you
hot.
go, because no one's looking at that.
Are we going to do some heat on top of it? Just
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, look, it's not stuck.
There you go. Oh, we did kind of hold hands. Not for the first time.
I'm not for the last. Oh, make it hot. Oh no.
Oh yeah, that didn't work.
Okay, wow.
So what happened there is that Ed put the the hairdryer too close to it, and it blew up the bit of carbon fibre. So that one's worked a treat, yeah.
Worked a treat, mate.
Yeah.
Nice and decent.
Fingered that hole there. That's good.
Oh, that looks sick.
It
Stunning.
really does. So how many bits we've got left? Is it just the
One
circular
more.
bit? So this is actually quite a quick job, isn't it, Ed?
Yes. Even for two absolute artards like us.
I don't think we're artards.
We are.
I think we make mistakes and we learn from them.
Yeah. Like kids.
Ow, it's burning me! But I'm doing it anyway!
Jesus Christ.
It's getting hot in here, so
Better take off all your clothes.
I am getting so hot, I want to take my clothes off. I've got more clothes
That was
on than Ed,
Nelly.
though.
Nelly.
Yeah, it was. Ed doesn't wear pants.
My favourite film's Commando. That's why. Took it literally.
So that again.
Absolute great cool heating it up.
That's mate, yeah. You
Mate.
said that off camera.
Yeah, great cool heating it up, mate.
Thanks, mate. I mean, that looks spot on.
And I'm going to put the finishing touch on.
What's the finishing touch, Ed?
Just maybe a CF skin sticker there, mate. Look.
No, put it on the outside.
No, I want to put it there, sir. Oh, that one could go on the outside.
Yeah, you got a small one that could fit in there.
Keep it carbon.
Dun dun dun, fancy camera. Dun 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 dun. Oh, I'm filming a music video.
Are you? Hit me, baby, one more time.
That's the nose that Ed likes to pick regularly in videos. Finger up nose constantly.
We can't show what you like to pick.
Oh,
on
my
camera,
fingers
can we?
always knuckle deep in my own anus. So.
To cover up this silver is really.
What's over there? What's hanging
Oh,
out?
actually-
What's hanging out over there? Oh, that's my CRV.
Doesn't like the Accord anymore.
I do. I love the Accord more than anything. It's just the brakes don't work on it at the moment, so it's sat up over around the corner over there.
Look at that, mate.
That looks cool. Hashtag keep it carbon.
I've got quite a few CF skis. We've got 2 for you.
No, I don't have any carbon fibre on my car at the moment.
Yet.
Well, I don't think he makes it for my cars.
Yet.
Yeah. Yeah, so Mike.
Well, no, he would do. Mike would do.
Mike,
because you got K24.
Yeah.
He does the carbon fibre.
Yeah, I need one of those, and
Yeah.
also do some steering wheel inserts for a 2013 Honda CR-V, please. Because the steering wheel needs a little bit of a touch up, so that would really help.
Do you want to do one final little gloss over this glossiness? Oh, mate, I love it. I love it. Doesn't it set it off really nice? Cool. So the next things, mate, that I'm going to get from Mike are these in carbon fibre.
Yeah.
And inserts in there. You can see how plain that is in there.
That's very plain,
you can
isn't
get
it?
a nice carbon fibre insert for in there. So that's what I'm going to do.
That's very plain, Ed.
Yes.
That's a plain Jane. That's a girl that you take home and then you're disappointed with as you sober up.
And we
isn't
didn't need the glue.
it? No, we didn't need the glue.
No.
Because we've done it correctly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mike.
Yeah.
That looks like a
Stop showing your address. I've got to cover it up again.
Oh, only because you've got CF
With a guinea pig. Just have to stick a guinea pig over it.
So, happy with that, mate?
Yeah. Good. Right. So, we hope you've enjoyed this video of how to implant into your Ep3 Civic Type R some carbon fibre inserts from CF Skins. If you'd like to find CF Skins, there's a link in the description. So
he's
that'll
on
go
Instagram.
Yes, he is.
At CF Skins.
Yeah.
Facebook, CF Skins -official group.
Yeah.
Because it's probably an unofficial group.
And
don't know
YouTube
why.
CF Skins.
And YouTube CF Skins.
Yeah.
That's him.
I mean, don't watch that YouTube channel. Watch ours. But
Oh yeah. And join the carbon community, guys.
Yeah. Enjoy it.
That's my new
Carbon community. Hashtag carbon community.
Hashtag keep it carbon. It's like Brucey, innit?
Hashtag.
Keep dancing.
Ed, do the hashtag bit again.
Hashtag keep it carbon.
So if you've enjoyed this video, then please subscribe, turn on notifications, and of course find us on other bits of social media. You know, we're all over the place, although I rarely engage with anything outside Instagram or Facebook, but we are there. And until the next time, I've been me, you've been you, Ed's been Ed, and well done for that.
Keep it carbon.
Oh, good game, good game.
Test